It's not the lash they fear. It is my divine power.
Man, Rooches. Oh no, the man Rooches. Thought they were Rooches. This is Suburban, but I got a Tahoe.
We had a Tahoe, we just got the Suburban.
I went and got a Suburban.
Oh, you wanted a Suburban rather than a Tahoe?
Yeah.
You still giving demos?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
That's fine.
Y'all like to hear it, man.
Oh, I got it.
So he did a Suburban, man. See what oh my goodness, I should have heard that start up. Listen at that thing. Listen at it. Oh, he gonna make me get the pipes, bro. He gonna make me get them. Dang. Lord, when I heard that start up, I was like, okay.
Yeah, it's got the motor came out on this car.
Oh, okay, so you done changed the motor.
Oh,
then.
yeah.
Okay. So what's in it, man? Tell me
What's a 118?
Daddy, you put the windows up?
Yeah, baby, I'll put the windows
Huh?
up. Yeah, I'll put the windows up again.
No, I'm gonna keep my hand right here.
He loves the bass.
Yeah. Breaking them in early.
Yeah, I got
Young
you.
bass is.
And both the moles farm, menaging with your bud, trying to drink my unborn.
That's real deep, man.
Oh, yeah, it's only 118 though.
Man, that's real deep.
Because it's an STO, so.
Can I check out the box?
Oh, yeah.
Uh-oh, sound cube.
Oh, yeah.
So you got the Scar RP
Oh, yeah,
2000.
yeah. I had to.
What do you have for battery power?
Right now, I'm just running it with the cap and fucking.
Okay.
I got a 320 alternator on there.
And it's
But
all
it
stock?
came with that. With
Okay.
the motor, it had it won't turn over with a regular alternator. Kill
Is
it.
this an 18?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's the box tuned to?
32.
32?
I gotta get a bigger one now. They said the box too small.
Yeah.
It's gotta be bigger now.
This looks like made more for a 15, maybe. Yeah. Did you build a box?
One of my homeboys did.
Okay.
Yeah, I ain't built
Man,
it.
they did a good job, though.
Oh yeah. I work at a wood mill.
Yeah. Nice,
Damn,
man.
wood
Nice.
for free.
Hey, man, I appreciate the demo, man.
Anytime, bro.
Thank you.
Anytime. Yeah, anytime you want to hear that thing. It's an old
So tell me about the motor again.
It's just a 5.3 Vortex that's got a cam in it and fucking hitters.
Okay. And what pipe you got on there to make that sound?
40 series Flowmaster.
Okay.
Yeah. Old Vortex. It looks small, but it run good.
Man.
It shits and gets.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I ain't even put a cold air intake on it because it don't need it.
Appreciate you showing me, man.
Oh, no problem. Anytime.
All right.
It's my baby. I'm a Chevy man. I don't do nothing but Chevys.
That's all right, man.